Hi everyone, and welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving deep into something many of us have a love-hate relationship with, our spending habits. You know that feeling when you're scrolling through your credit card statement, and you're hit with a wave of, did I really spend that much on lattes last month? We've all been there. But what if I told you those statements are more than just a list of transactions? They're like financial diaries, holding valuable clues about our relationship with money. Think about it, every swipe, every online purchase, every cup of coffee tells a story. By understanding these stories, we can make smarter choices and achieve our financial goals. Don't worry, we're not here to judge. We're here to empower you to take control of your finances and make your money work for you. So grab your statements, a pen, and maybe a comforting cup of tea, herbal of course, we're watching those budgets. And let's get started. Now let's talk about those credit card statements. They might seem like a jumble of numbers and dates, but trust me, they hold a wealth of information. First things first, don't be afraid to really dig in. Grab a highlighter, some colored pens, whatever helps you visually break down the information. Start by simply looking for patterns. Are you seeing a lot of spending at restaurants, online shopping sprees? Maybe those daily trips to the coffee shop are adding up more than you realized. Remember those damn eggs we always talk about? This is where they show up. Once you start noticing these patterns, you can begin to understand your spending habits better. Now, let's break down the different types of expenses you'll likely find on your statement. First, we have your fixed expenses. These are the bills that stay relatively the same each month, like your rent or mortgage, car payment, and utilities. These are essential and usually non-negotiable. Then there are variable expenses which fluctuate each month. Think groceries, gas, and entertainment. These are areas where you have more control over your spending. And finally, we have those pesky, unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, or replacing a broken appliance. It's important to budget for these surprises as much as possible. Remember, every purchase fits into one of these categories. By categorizing your spending, you'll start to see where your money is going and identify areas where you might be able to cut back. So, you've analyzed your statement and you're probably thinking, now what? Well, now comes the empowering part, adjusting your habits. First and foremost, create a budget. I know it sounds scary, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Use an app, a notebook, or those colorful pens we talked about earlier. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is actually going. Then set realistic spending limits for each category. Remember, it's all about balance. You don't have to give up everything you enjoy, but making small, mindful changes can make a big difference. Understanding your spending habits is key to achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or simply feeling in control of your finances. Remember, knowledge is power, and your credit card statement is a powerful tool for financial freedom. So go on, crack the code, and take charge of your financial future. Now that you've started adjusting your spending habits, let's talk about building healthy financial habits for the long term. It's not just about making changes today, but ensuring these changes stick and become a part of your daily routine. First, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every payday. This way, you prioritize saving before you even have a chance to spend. Second, educate yourself continuously. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Read books, follow financial blogs, or listen to podcasts. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Third, set financial goals and revisit them regularly. Whether it's saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or retirement, having clear goals will keep you motivated. Break these goals into smaller, manageable milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. Lastly, surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your financial goals with friends or join a financial accountability group. Having a support system can keep you on track and provide encouragement when you need it most. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Every step you take towards better financial habits is a step towards a more secure and fulfilling future. So, keep going, stay committed, and watch as your financial health transforms over time. You've got this.